If you're working in professional services, such as in finance, the law, or anywhere that passing exams gives you the qualifications and certifications you need to succeed, then keep watching this video because I'm about to tell you exactly what you've been doing wrong and what you need to do instead to become a really efficient learner, learn anything in record time, and remember it not just for the exam, but forever. Sound too good to be true? Well, it wasn't for all of these people. Like you, at least to begin with, they thought passing exams was next to impossible too. Each had failed several exams several times and were beginning to believe it just wasn't going to happen. Until, of course, they discovered Genius Material. They realized that they could learn information really quickly after all by implementing a simple and highly motivating study system designed just for them, and by stopping doing all the things they used to do that just don't work. When you study, do you try to learn by reading and rereading the textbook? Or copying it out word for word? Or typing notes beautifully on the computer? How about highlighting your book? Tried that? Or have you tried watching end-to-end videos about the subject? Audios? Tried that? Tell me in the comments below what study ideas you've tried and how well they've worked for you. Because whatever you've tried, and I bet you think you've tried everything, it's not working, is it? While there's a lot of advice about learning out there, most of it isn't in the slightest bit useful. That's because while it might possibly suit someone else, it doesn't suit the way your brain handles information. The biggest problem is we're hardwired to forget, and no one ever teaches you how to learn the sort of stuff you get in your textbook. Until now. How would it be if you discovered exactly what you need to do to slash your study time and to remember everything you've learned? How would you like to pass every exam with a score of 80% and remember what you've learned? How would you like to feel excited and motivated about passing exams and creating the career you want? Wouldn't that be a better use of your time?